Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how Face Unlock perform on the smartphone, how it works. So let's make a few tries, and the first I'm going to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yes, I am. So let's start the test and let's see how the face recognition works right here. So for sure it's reliable, but to be honest it's not that fast as the fingerprint sensor, and I will compare you which one is faster. So as you can see here we got some kind of the delay for 1 second or something like that, and just take a look how fingerprint sensor works here. So as you can see it's definitely faster. And that's all. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.